Welcome to the VidGram Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to record a standard video message in VidGram Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video Messenger. Now choose your message type. Now record your video message. You can pause your video message if you want. Once you are done recording, click on Stop. Now click on Save and Continue. Now enter your video title and description. Click on Next, and here you can customize your video player. We will cover detailed functionality of Edit Video Message Player settings in upcoming videos. You control your player. You can add a logo to your video message. You can either upload a logo locally or import it from a URL. You can change the player theme. Just choose it from drop-down. You can add CTA text and URL to your video message. You can also add a scheduled date and time to your video message if you want to publish it later. Just select the date and time on which you want to publish your video message. Choose your video player color. Click on Submit and your video message is ready. You can play your video. You can copy your video message URL. You can open your video message URL. You can share your video message on your desired social media platforms. You can share and embed your video message on any platform. Or you can share it via mail also. You can see your video message in the My Video Messages section. We will cover the detailed functionality of My Video Messages section in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.